Welcome back. Continuing the news, where's the justice? It's the question being asked by the family of the late Mario Deane, who died after he was beaten at the Barnett Street lockup in Montego Bay, St. James 3 years ago. On the anniversary of the incident, the deceased man's mother took to the streets today, still demanding justice for her son. Details in this report from TVJ's Janella Precious.
August 2014, an entire nation was outraged. Some took to the streets in protest following the death of Mario Deane, who was taken into police custody for a ganja spliff, was badly beaten while in lockup, and then subsequently died. Fast forward to 2017. The vast number of voices demanding justice have faded, and on the anniversary of the incident, a three-person protest, including Mario Deane's mother.
We haven't got justice as yet. We don't get closure as yet. So I came out here just to stand and to remind the nation what happened on that day, that fateful day.
She says for 3 years there's been no closure as the circumstances surrounding the incident are still unclear. This has been made even more difficult as the case against the accused men in the matter seem to be going nowhere. Charged are inmates Damien Cargill, a man who is hearing impaired, Adrian Morgan, who is said to be mentally ill, and Marvin Orr. Ms. Fraser expressed some of her frustrations with the case.
Small things that should happen or should come in, there's nothing. And then you keep after putting off court because of small things. Maybe clock of court change, maybe one little file not present, maybe police don't turn up. You know, who's to turn up? Witness don't turn up, or lawyer not present. So things like that, and you keep after changing date, and there's nothing moving forward so far, except, well, with the inmates who I get recently understand that one of them have been discharged to the family because he's not fit to stand trial. So far, that is all that going on.
Then there are other issues which, for her, may impede justice for her son.
You need to clean the police force. You need to have them working in accordance as of the law. And therefore, then citizens can work with them to clean this country. But until then, we're going to have some really disturbing thing going on in this country. Nobody trusting police, nobody trusting them, the court system. So everybody kind of withdrawn, and that's what they want. Do not withdraw. Even when you're afraid. Many times I come out here, I am afraid, I tremble, I'm nervous. But I did it anyway. I did it for my son. I did it for my family.
But the family is vowing to keep the memory of Mario Deane alive despite the frustrations. They're holding on to hope that justice will eventually prevail in the matter. Janella Precious, TVJ News.